Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As we all know that the COVID-19 pandemic has significantly changed how we work and study. One of the most notable shifts is the rise of work from anywhere, or we can call it WFA trend, which has now become the new normal across various sectors in Semarang. This trend is further amplified by a growing influx of students and workers into the city. This is driven by Semarang's increasing appeal as an educational and economic hub, attracting young talent and professionals alike. However, with the rise of a WFA, and the increasing number of productive individuals in the city, a significant challenge has emerged. Many workers and students struggles to find quiet and conducive workspace. Noise in public space, limited facilities at home, and unsuitable environment often hinder productivity and virtual interaction. This challenge presents a significant market opportunity by addressing the gap for quiet and flexible workspace in Semarang. We can cater to the growing demand for productive environment that meet the needs of modern workers and students. Our solution is to develop specialized workspace tailored to the WFA lifestyle. This space will offer a quiet and distraction-free environment, high-tech facility to support virtual meeting and collaborative works, and flexible access and pricing to suit the diverse needs of students and professionals. By capitalizing on the growing WFA trend and addressing the rising demand for conducive workspace in Semarang, we believe the solution will create significant value for the community while delivering long-term profitability. Next. Okay. Stop. The solution Quiet Working and Space is here to provide an innovative solution for the growing demand for conducive work and study environment. We offer specialized space designed to support meeting, work, and study activity with a focus on affordability and quality. Our spaces are equipped with various facilities tailored to modern needs, such as high-speed internet, ergonomic seating, and private meeting rooms. Most importantly, we prioritize creating a calm and comfortable atmosphere to enhance productivity and focus. Whether you're a student, remote worker, or professional, Quiet Working and Space offers a flexible and cost-effective option that ensures a seamless and satisfying work or study experience. Join us in redefining how and where we work and learn. At Quiet Working and Space, we redefine how we work, study, and create by providing a calm and inspiring environment designed to support your productivity and creativity.
Our primary customer base of workers and students, a demographic we identified as a result of our own needs for affordable environment conducive to focus work. The market positioning for our target customers is centered on individuals with an income range 1.3 million rupiah per month, offering a comfortable setting, high-speed internet access, and a curated food and beverage menu. We aim to provide a comfortable environment, fast internet access, food and drink menu that rivals the offering of our competitors, such as libraries, which are often well developed with ample workspace and fast internet. But do not allow food and beverage. Another competitor is the cafe. While there are numerous cafes in the area, few offer ambience. Some cafes do provide a calming environment, but their price tend to be high. We aim to stabilize a cafe that offers a peaceful atmosphere without exorbitant price. Okay, next, profit. We get the main income from the sale of food and beverage product that we provide in our place, with a minimum charge that we have determined. Consumers can later use the facilities in our place, such as Wi-Fi and also private room that can later be used by consumers for activities such as meetings or creating content. We also provide a place for individual consumers who can later be used when they buy food or beverage product in our cafe. We also have a campaign where we invite creative works who will be able to do mutual beneficial cooperation for both parties. For our target customers are works and also students who have a WFA habit because we feel the lack of a place that is conducive to doing assignment. Therefore, we take the opportunity to make this startup.
And next, after we know the target consumer, and now I'll explain what we could gain and what the pain point for this business. For more details, our first target consumers are office workers because they need a comfortable place to work outside the office because some of them have a WFA habit. Then the second is students because many students prefer to do assignment outside the campus. Then the third is freelancers because they are very dependent on the name of the internet. Here we provide good internet access and we want to provide a comfortable place for freelancers by providing a good ambience for them to work. Then the fourth is small entrepreneurs or companies who want to hold meeting outside the office. We provide a private place for them to hold meetings or just to do the tasks given by their companies. Then the last is our photographers. Provide a studio that they can use to work in our cafe. Besides providing fast internet access and a varied food and the beverage menu, we also provide a comfortable players room. We also provide many bedrooms with which are certainly clean. Next, Quiet Working and Space operates within an exciting and rapidly expanding market. The rise of flexible work and study trends, particularly among millennials and Gen Z, has created a significant demand for specialized workspaces. Our market analysis reveals a compelling opportunity to serve this growing demographic. Let's break down the market potential first. Our total address market. Our TAM is valued at 2.1 billion per month, representing the maximum market size without considering constraints such as geographies, competitions, or distribution limitation. This figure is derived from the regional minimum wages and the total numbers of millennials and Gen Z in our target area. Next, when we factor in practical constraints like geographical reach, regulatory conditions, and our operational capacity, we narrow the market to our serviceable address market or SAM of 391 million per month, This is the portion of the market that our product and service can realistically address with our current resource and infrastructure. From there, we focus on the service optionable market or SOM, which represent the market share we aim to capture within the next 2 till 4 years. With our strategy and current go-to-market or GTM plan, we project capturing 20% of our SAM, which translates to 78 million per month. Our pricing strategy is also key achieving these targets, with a price point of 4,100 average per unit for our rental and service offerings. We ensure affordability while maintaining a healthy margin. Our financial goal is clear. We are targeting a return on investment or ROI of 852 million, equivalent to 28% of our total investment of 3 billion. By aligning our market strategy with this projection and focusing on delivering high quality, flexible, and affordable space, we believe we can not only capture the market, but also build a sustainable and profitable business in the long term.
Wow, that was a lot of return. How to get a lot of return? How to get it? The easiest way is get a lot consumer. And how to get a lot of consumer? The easiest way is increase a public awareness. We use a various marketing media to increase public awareness, primarily through social media and promotion on platform like Instagram and TikTok. We also utilize print media, including banners and brochures, which feature discount coupon. In addition, we conduct targeted campaign to attract industries in the city of Semarang. If you're interested in working with us, contact us via WhatsApp at 081-201-987443 or Instagram at quiet.workingandspace or email quietworkingandspace@gmail.com. Thank you and keep quiet. Bye-bye.